I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5.
Every time I try a viral TikTok hairstyle, I always learn one thing. Nothing is ever guaranteed to go as planned, so always be ready to improvise. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Anastasia and this is my channel. In this channel, you will find videos about hair, beauty, DIY and lifestyle. So if this is your vibe, please make sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification so you don't miss any time I post a new video. Guys, if I have a penny for any time I try any viral TikTok hairstyle, oh my goodness, guys, I don't know, maybe I'll not be a millionaire yet, but I'll be going close to becoming a millionaire. Oh my god. So you know this trending wand coils, miracle coil, I decided to try it and see how it's going to look like with Kinky. And mind you guys, the main reason why I decided to try this hairstyle is not just about it, it's about how to achieve the front to make it look like a frontal. You don't have to like make a closure or make any frontal or whatever for it. You see the way I lined up this front, and then I'm going to cut it off now. After brushing it, you can see you brush it this way so that you can brush out little baby hairs, so that when you cut it off, it is going to look like as if you have frontal or whatever baby face on. So that is the trick, and that is why I decided to try this with the Kinky I have left at home. At least I will see how it is before investing money to buy a Kinky or whatever coils I want to use to make the hairstyle, of which obviously it's going to be a wig, because my hair, I don't have straight for losing hair and tightening hair and whatever every week, so I'm just going to make it into a wig. So guys, I will leave you to see this hair on my hair. It is so funny. Like I told you guys that I've used this Kinky before, so I wasn't expecting it to be fine, but I just wanted to see how it is going to turn out. It turned out pretty good, but it's just that the Kinky is too short and I can't wear this, so it looks like a wizard, be whatever, but it's actually very cute. Some people will like it, and you know, but it's not for me, guys. I can never wear this to go out. I don't know, but it's so funny. Like, it's funny looking how short and hanging it is. See, I tried different varieties of styles. People can actually like this, but not for me, I beg. And then what? And I decided to improvise, you know, change the style and see what I can get. And then this is, yes, I chopped off every single hair on it, and then I decided to turn it into a low cut band, like short cut hair, whatever. So guys, I don't know if I should say that this was not a good DIY, but it was actually, because I learned something that I wanted to see how it will turn out, which is the front, you know, how to make this front without a closure or anything. Like, that is the main reason why I decided to try this. And you can see, guys, this is actually very beautiful. You know, imagine now if I want to invest money in whatever coils that I want to, I would actually gladly do it, because I know that I can achieve the hairstyle. So let me know what you think. Did you think I tried? I know the first hairstyle failed, but come on, we improvised, so that should count as success. I actually like this wig, even if I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it often, but I might be wearing it one of these days, you know. If I want to go live on TikTok, on Facebook, like, I don't think if I can wear it and go out, but maybe at night, because I would have to do a lot of work on it, like gluing the front and the back. You can see I've glued the front. The front is very beautiful, but the back is still a little bit hanging because it needs glue to lap on your skin. But I don't think I want to be going through this stress just to get this 360 look. Only this front is quite okay. That is why I would always wear it anytime I want to make my content, you know, at home or on set, whatever. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. I know you like this video if you've watched it to this end. I like experimenting, you know, finding out hairstyles to try out and see how it's going to look on me. So this is the final look. It is very beautiful. I like it. Do you like this wig? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Tell me why you're crying, now can it be, girl?